You guys remember Jerry, my coworker? He misses my YouTube videos so much, and he's so worried about me charging my camera and it not charging that he ordered me all of these cords to try and charge this piece of crap Santa. The struggle is real. It is so cold.
Hi guys! I missed you! I finally got my shit charged. Sorry if you can't hear me, I got a cover over my nose, which is currently dripping down my face because I'm cold as fuck. I went and got Peach Freckle early this morning, Peach Elf, and Santa Bunny up there. We are on our way to the Bay Area Supermoto ride, toy drive / boss helmet giveaway / fun shit, dude. So we're on our way to the city right now to stop and get something to eat, and then I will be back. This is so sad. That's where the lady got taken out. Number 14, rest in peace. We're going over the top of the Bay Bridge right now. Alcatraz is out there somewhere. There's a city over there. Going in. Damn, dude.
Representative from Boss Helmets here today, so if you guys want to be entered to win a free helmet, you got to first of all take a picture with this lovely lady, use your own damn cell phone, and then you need to post that picture on their Instagram page, follow their Instagram page, and hashtag Bosch Helmets, and you'll automatically be entered to win a helmet.
Oh! Don't jerk it. My Santa died, so I'm not even gonna be able to record. Damn it, fucking Santa. Here comes all the Santas. Bay Area Supermoto. We're going that way? We're about to piss off a whole bunch of people. They're doing SantaCon in the city today too, so there's lots of Santas here.